So before we go to the alphabet, you need to know what you did the teacher. If you say ndewo onye nkuzi anyị, do you know ndewo is like hi. Ndewo is like good morning or well done, you know, all those small greetings. So when you come to the class, I expect that before this class starts every day, we will say ndewo onye nkuzi anyị. Onye nkuzi, which is him, will say ndewo ụmụ akwụkwọ. You hear me? Onye nkuzi is teacher. So onye nkuzi is what? Teacher. Is teacher. See, our teacher is onye nkuzi anyị. Did you hear me? And say what I said. Onye nkuzi anyị. Everybody say what I'm saying. Onye nkuzi anyị. Bev, I'll take you away from there in the next minute. Onye nkuzi anyị.
Onye nkuzi anyị.
Good. That is our teacher. Okay? You know, it's good because that's what the word you hear more often than anything. Okay? They will say onye nkuzi. You'll be wondering who are they calling onye nkuzi. You will know that they are talking about teacher. Then when they want to call you, they'll call you ụmụ akwụkwọ. Ụmụ akwụkwọ. Don't worry, I will get there. Good. You're getting it. Ụmụ akwụkwọ. That's pupils or students or whatever category of students you call them. Then because you'll be hearing these two words. If I am the one teaching, I'll say ụmụ akwụkwọ. Oh yeah, I'll say what I said. You know that I'm telling you to say exactly what I said.